So thank you so much. It's been great to work with the colleagues here planning this PLA. For many of you, you've been to many PLAs before, so you've been on this journey with us for the last 2.5 years in our working group. For other people, we're happy to welcome some new faces in the room for their first PLA. So our journey has taken us to lots of different places to look at lots of different topics in digital education. We started off in Hamburg looking at bring your own device policies in school. We were up in Finland looking at coding and computational thinking. We've had 2 PLAs on higher education and the particular challenges there, looking at supporting teachers for open, innovative and digital education in Zagreb and in Malta. We've looked at the topic of digital assessment in Tallinn and mobile learning and VET 4.0 in Vienna. So lots of places, lots of interesting topics. I think digital resources is a really nice kind of complement to this, because in any of those topics you look at, you have the issue of resources, and the digital resources are there, whether they're videos or websites or quizzes or multimedia. We know they're out there, but the questions we'll be looking at is how to ensure that these resources amplify teaching, how can we ensure the quality of these digital resources, and how we can support teachers, not just the few teachers, but the many teachers to take up these resources and how they can meet learner needs. So I think it's really nice that we're here alongside this fair, and last night already we had a chance to speak to a lot of startups, a lot of very interesting organisations from France working in this space. So over the next day and a half we can kind of get to know this ecosystem of all these different players who are working together.